So, as you know, we have produced this beautiful Pacifica Beats Tuvalu album full of songs for our preschoolers, and we thought we'd share a couple of cool facts we learnt along the way of learning these songs. What was fact number 1, Leah?
When we had Kiribati Language Week, we shared about Gilbert Islands and Ellis Islands, and Kiribati is the translated word for Gilbert Islands, and then the other one was Ellis Islands, and that became Tuvalu.
Ellis Islands. And the other one is actually the Talofa. You're going to say Talofa, same as Samoan. So the Tuvalu language we found is really similar to Samoan. There are some differences, quite a few little differences, but they're all quite cool. Talofa, Talofa. Alright, but we're going to get our friend Melly, who is Tuvaluan, a beautiful Tuvaluan teacher over in Auckland, and she's going to teach you some basic phrases. Yay! Let's click our fingers. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Talofa, atoku ingoa ko Melly. Hi, my name is Melly. It is Tuvalu Language Week. Yay! Would you like to learn some Tuvaluan phrases? Awesome! Let's start. Say talofa. Your turn. Good job. Talofa means hello. Now say ea mai koe. Your turn. Well done. Ea mai koe means how are you? Now say au e lei whakawhetai. Your turn. Good job. Au e lei whakawhetai means I am fine, thank you. Well, I hope you have enjoyed learning a little bit of the Tuvaluan language. Ke manuia te vaiaso o te ngana Tuvalu. Happy Tuvalu Language Week! Tofa!
Yay!
Yay!
We're
Thank you,
back.
Melly!
Thank you, Melly, for teaching us your beautiful language. Shall we go over those quickly again? Talofa.
Hello.
Ea mai koe.
How are you?
And e lei whakawhetai. E lei
I
whakawhetai.
am good. Thank you.
Nice. Alright, let's put it into a song. This is our Tuvalu welcome song on our album, number 1. Alright. Talofa,
Talofa
means hello.
means hello.
Ea mai koe
Ea mai koe
means how are you?
means how are you?
E lei whakawhetai
E lei whakawhetai
means I am good, thank you.
I am good, thank you.
It's time to learn Te ngana Tuvalu today. Should we sing it again? Talofa
Talofa
means hello.
means hello.
Ea mai koe
Ea mai koe
means how are you?
means how are you?
E lei whakawhetai
E lei whakawhetai
means I am good, thank you.
I am good, thank you.
It's time to learn Te ngana Tuvalu today. It's time to learn the Tuvaluan language today. Tuvaluan Language Week. Have an awesome week and see if you can use some of these phrases this week and forever. Alright. Thank you, Melly, again for your help.
Thank you.
Ka kite.
Bye.